Good morning children. We are going to start today is the beetroot. Okay, beetroot drawing only pencil shading work we will learn, and tomorrow we will do next time in the next period we will do with the color pencils shading only. So first let me start with the outline. Okay, beetroots, most of it is the shape of the circle. So first we have to make a circle. See it properly. Okay, observe the pictures. It's not completely and clear circle. Down we have to leave the place because the beetroots, the down parts also is important. So see how the roots will be a down. That roots you have to see and draw it. Done. Now upper parts of green place where is the leaf will be a growth. That's also we have to do. Observe the properly picture carefully. Okay, and because of the last we have to do the shading work also on this. It's done most of the beetroots picture. Now we are going to start the shading work. Which place we have to give the shading? First the upper parts we will give the shading. It's completing. Okay, little bit dark also. And which place we have to keep the light, which place we have to do the dark, that also remember and do it. And again give the outline. The finishing will be look neat and clean. Now come to the downside of the shading. There is a beetroot, two type of the beetroots will be there. One is a full red, what is normally we are seeing. One is a half white and half another colors. So in that half there is a shading will be a different type of. So I have explained in your class, when we are doing the shading works we have to control our hands and keep your eyes which place to which place we have to do the shading. Can you see my hands is not moving outside of the line which I want to do. I'm doing that only, and you also have to keep your eyes and try to do it. If you do the practice, it is very easy. Nothing is hard to do the pictures. It's very easy. It's done. Okay, now can you see the middle part is very light, so I'm making lightly dark, not much dark. But now it's shading. I explained when we are learning about the eyes drawing. In the eyes, when we will see to each other eyes, we can find out the light flash will be there. Okay, that place is very white. So here and another parts will get the dark. So here also light flash will be in the middle parts. Now side we have to make a little bit darker. With the pencil only we have to do the shading of the dark. And this place also will be a dark, as we will see it will be a dark place because of shade of our part. Now shading has done. Now beetroots roots will be there, middle places. So we have to give first a placing where we have to keep the roots. Okay, now one very light lines we have to make in that, which is the roots will come. Okay, now side also we will do the roots parts. Okay, which is we can see, which is visible. That drawing only we have to do, not invisible places. Now shading, I told the shading is very important. Which place the dark place shadings will come, we have to see that one. Now our shading and everything is completed. I told before here when we are doing, I said to completing after shading we have to do the outlining. Now again I'm going to do the outlining. You also have to make it the sure. This outlining is very important because outlining is giving to us as a finishing work. Okay, and it will be look fresh and new, nice, not fresh fruit, but like a drawing hour is a fresh and new. Done. Beetroots, complete this work and send me in the my personal group number. I will do the correction. If any mistake, I will tell you in the personally. Okay, and next time you will be with your color pencils. There is a red color and green color. Okay, these two colors only. We are not going to use here black color because we are going to make as a natural beetroots drawing. Okay, now you are not a first class children that outlinings with the black every time. Okay, naturally we will do the beetroots drawing. So be ready next time, again the same time and same period is there. So color pencils and complete this work. Bye.